Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we got a new set from Hotwheels. It is missing one of the cars though, but it has other four cars. It's Fast and Furious, but it's specifically for the cars that Paul Walker in the movie drove. So Brian O'Connor. Yeah, Brian O'Connor. So these are the cars which are driven by him. I'm missing the Ford Escort on this one, on this set, but let's see what others we have. So let's start with this one. So you might have already noticed it's a Nissan Skyline GTR, the R34. Again, says Fast and Furious by Brian O'Connor. Next, we have the famous Toyota Supra, the orange one with this paint scheme on the side. Next, we have got the Mitsubishi Eclipse, which he drove. I think it was Too Fast and Too Furious. Not sure. Where one of them had Eclipse and the other one had. No, I think I'm mixing it somewhere. So many Fast and Furious movies. But again, this was driven by him. And last and not the least is this white Supra. I think it was it's shown in the last movie where Paul Walker's brothers completed the movie for him. I think he died halfway. The movie was shot already when he died in a tragic accident. So Hotwheels did a nice little set for him. Yeah, this is the fifth one I'm missing. The 1974 Escort. I'm gonna open these and make video on each of them, so stay tuned for that.